Welcome. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through Pinterest and getting distracted by those show similar product suggestions, you're not alone. Sometimes you just want to browse in peace without being bombarded by extra recommendations. Today, I'll show you how to disable the show similar products feature on Pinterest so you can keep your feed focused and clutter-free. This is the latest method, so follow along for the most up-to-date steps. First, make sure you have the Pinterest app open on your device. If you haven't updated the app recently, it's a good idea to do that now, to ensure you have all the newest features and settings. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see all your saved pins and boards. Next, tap on your profile picture at the very top of the screen. This opens up your account settings and gives you access to more detailed options. Now look for the section labeled Social Permissions. Tap on it to enter a menu where you can control how Pinterest interacts with your social experience and privacy. Scroll down until you find the option called Show Similar Products. By default, this might be switched on, which is why you're seeing those extra suggestions as you browse. To turn off this feature, simply toggle the switch next to Show Similar Products. Once the switch is off, Pinterest will stop showing you those additional product recommendations based on your activity. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Show Similar Products feature on Pinterest. Now, your browsing experience will be more streamlined, letting you focus on the pins and ideas that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.